अच्छा देखिए इसके बाद मैं आती हूँ कि so I heard a little birdie told me that you were approached for lockup.
Oh my God.
Yeah, who she was, little birdie?
You yourself. Yes, I was.
Yeah.
And not once.
Why you please clear this to your fans?
Yes, I was. Not once, more than I guess 3 to 4.
Why didn't you go?
Because I didn't want to.
Yeah.
I didn't want to go. It's because see, मेरे को ना यार अभी I'm like in that mental phase where I want to give my
Mind some peace.
yeah, right. So I don't wanna go there and fuck my mental peace.
Yeah.
ठीक है. And to be very honest, मैं वहां जाती तो सिर्फ मेरा मेंटल नहीं उनका भी मेंटल पीस fuck होता. तो I just like 3 लोग अभी खुश है तो तीनों खुश रहने दो ना, वो भी खुश रहे अपनी लाइफ में. And if they really love each other, I kudos to them. I would absolutely appreciate. मीम सुनते हैं रूरू डीजे बजाएगी उनकी शादी में.
हमारे भी मीम बना करते थे.
बजा लो यार. But like if they really love each other.
इसका thumbnail ये बनेगा, रूरू बजाएगी डीजे योगांशा की शादी में.
But no, like for sure, like if they are really into each other and they, I think अगर support करे एक दूसरे को आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं एक दूसरे के साथ life में, it's absolutely fine.
Right.
So it
We
should,
wish them all the best.
Yeah, absolutely fine. But like for me, it's like to see my ex ऐसे और उसके बाद फिर मैं वहां जाके कचड़ पचड़ करूंगा. I don't want to do that.
Yeah.
I'm not that person.
So we'll talk about your ex only. I don't want to take names. So he said on the reality show that you were not his girlfriend. You were a situationship to him. What do you want to say about that?
यार ऐसा तो नहीं था खैर.
Everybody knows, but still he.
मतलब ऐसा तो नहीं था कि हम relationship में नहीं थे. But I when I saw it, like when I saw that clip, everybody was like, बात करो दर. No, I don't want to talk about it. ठीक है. उसके पहले जो था कि मेरे को ऐसा लगा जब क्लिप मैंने देखी तो मुझे ऐसा लगा वो स्प्लिट से पहले की बात. स्प्लिट्स के बाद की बात नहीं कर रहा था. तो मुझे लगा कि अगर स्प्लिट्स के पहले की बात करता, we never gave that tag, but we were living together, so I don't know.
He was talking about splits only.
नहीं उसके बाद तो we were like in a full-fledged proper relationship.
Yeah.
But like I have stopped hating them. I can dislike them, बस वैसे मैं कभी hate करा भी नहीं.
Hate तूने कभी किया भी नहीं. You were just disappointed and I
was disappointed.
Upset.
Yes. But if I have to talk about something nice about him, is that when my late manager passed away, he gave me a call.
Okay.
To ask me if I was in the car, was I okay? Are you okay?
Oh, he did.
Yeah, he did. And that's why I just जब उसने लॉकअप में मेरे बारे में बोला ओ स्त्री मत आना रूरू ये रूरू मैंने कुछ बोला ही नहीं because I remember that one call. He called me. I just want to respect him from now onwards.
But then why like such change of behavior on camera and when he called you and he was nice about
he was I was crying
you.
on call with him and मैंने उसको एक चीज बोली थी कि मेरे को कभी लगा नहीं था कि जिंदगी में मैं कॉल पे तेरे सामने रोऊंगी दोबारा. But because that happened and immediately उस इंसान का कॉल आ जाता है जिसके साथ आपने इतना टाइम स्पेंड करा होता है ना तो निकल जाते हैं.
Of course.
और मैं बहुत रोई फिर awkward हो गया मैंने फोन कट कर दिया हो गया अब नहीं करूंगी मतलब कॉल सामने से आया था. But he was concerned and that's why I want to respect that. Whatever want to be shared, I just want to respect that. Let it be.
Okay. So after your ex-manager, who is managing you right now?
Oh, it's my brother, my real brother. He is managing me now. He travels with me the entire time. तो मेरे को फ्लाइट में बहुत डर लगता है. हाँ अगर फ्लाइट को कुछ हो या
क्यों
मम्मी पापा का क्या हो बहुत डर लगता है मेरे को. अब भी मैं आ रही थी गोवा से वापस मैंने अपनी लाइफ में इतना बुरा टर्बुलेंस कभी फेस नहीं किया. मुझे लगता गई है तो फ्लाइट अजीब सी है क्या हो रहा है ऐसे चल रही थी भाई ऐसा लग रहा था अभी पलट जाएगी. बट खैर but like my brother he's really working hard and he's like he's doing well.